Hey there, what's up? Happy New Year's. Today is December 31st. So hope you're all staying safe and enjoy your New Year's. So in this video, I want to talk to you about what I think is the best investment strategy overall for 2026. And this is actually something that I'm personally doing myself, so that's why I'm going to recommend it. So my name's Sergio. If you're new to this channel, this is The One Trading. In this channel, we specialize in using automated trading systems generate passive income for us. All right, so let's jump into the video. So what do I think is the best investment strategy for 2026? All right, so for 2026 and onwards, I believe Bitcoin is the best investment of the moment with the highest potential. So that's why it's a big part of the investment strategy for 2026. So what I believe is a good way to invest is divide a portion of your investment assets into a growth asset, like Bitcoin, for example. Divide a portion of it into some sort of cash so that you can buy nice dips if we get any. And also divide the other third portion of the assets into a dividend or income producing asset. So what I'm personally doing is with a third of the assets, I'm just going to buy Bitcoin. The other third of the assets, I'm going to buy an ETF called BTCI, which tracks Bitcoin, not 100%, because it does pay 27% annual yield. Okay, so 27% is very good for just something that's sitting there. And like I said, that's just because, I want a portion of the portfolio to pay me dividends. I don't need it all to be in just growth assets. And then the third part of the portfolio, I want it to be a very liquid type of investment. So that's why I said cash, but I'm not actually going to keep cash. What I'm going to do is I invested into my service, The One Trading, into my automated trading system, because my automated trading system will not just give 27% annual yield ROI, it actually averages about 100% ROI yearly yield. So let's say in the worst case scenario that we don't have that great of a year, but I'll still have it as cash because it's never lost in the past like 5-6 years. It has never lost a year. So worst case scenario, I'll have the cash there and I could use it to buy the dips on Bitcoin or BTCI if I want to buy more yield producing assets. So there you go. That's just a quick recap of what I personally think is the best investment strategy for 2026. 1/3 Bitcoin, 1/3 a nice dividend paying stock or ETF, in my opinion, BTCI, and third cash, which in my opinion is investing into a great automated trading system that can give you also a high yield, and you can have the cash there available in case you want it to use it towards buying good assets on dips. All right, everyone, that's it for this video. Hope you got some value out of it, and happy New Year's. Be safe, and I'll catch you guys very soon, most likely. So take care. Peace. God bless.